example about complex numbers as vectors, because I've noticed that a lot of you have not yet finished their Desmos activity about it. So the first thing we do is to make sure that our mode is in the degree. All right, and then we will have to put this in a coordinate form. That means our x value is 3 and our y value is -4. So if I'm going to put the label, it seems that our vector is in the fourth quadrant. That means our vector is in the southeast direction. All right, so our x is 3 and our y is -4. All right, now we want to find the magnitude. That would be for the distance from 0 to the point itself. And we will make use of the Pythagorean theorem, which is x squared plus y squared taken as a square root. So what we do is to square 3. It's positive, so it's fine without the parentheses. But if it's negative, like -4, you need to make sure that it should be inside the parentheses, because without it, all right, without it, you would notice that the value is undefined. Because if you square negative, you will get -16, and this will be 9. So you will have a square root of -7. I told you, Desmos is still not welcoming complex numbers on its end, all right? So you need to put -4 in the parentheses. And in any other case, you have to do that because you're squaring -4, all right? And it means that since you're squaring -4, all right, you have to put -4 inside the parentheses. And the magnitude of our vector is +5. All right? Now we need to find the angle. To find the angle that the Desmos will be giving you, the calculator will be giving you, is a certain angle in standard position. Means that the angle is coming from the east-west line. Okay? So we need to press Shift-Tan y over x, because tangent is equivalent to opposite over adjacent, the opposite being y, which is -4, and the adjacent being 3. All right, you would see that the angle is negative. When we talk of angles, it's either positive or negative, but doesn't mean that when it's negative, the value is negative. It means that the direction is in clockwise direction, because an angle, we're referring to this direction. All right, the angle that we're looking for is supposed to be from the north-south line. Coming from this would be in a counterclockwise direction, and an angle in a counterclockwise direction is positive. So what we do here is to subtract this angle from 90, because this angle is 90 minus 53.13. Whether it's positive or negative, you will have to subtract by a positive value. Doesn't mean that you're subtracting the negative angle itself. You're subtracting the value 53.13. So the direction of the angle is 36.87 degrees in the southeast direction. Therefore, our vector is equivalent to, all right, a magnitude of 5 at an angle of, let me see if I have a certain angle equal to 36.87 degrees. There's no exponent, but this one is actually 36.87 degrees, and that's it.